You guys, we have to come up with a theme for our team. What should we do?
What about a water theme?
Wait, I love water!
And you're marine bio, right?
Yeah, we met in our oceanography class.
This is such a good idea. What if we went with like Tsunami for the name?
Wait, I love that! Wait, there won't be actual water, right?
No. Why?
Let's just say I'm not really good with water.
I thought you said you loved the ocean.
Well...
Hey Alicia, did you forget your water bottle?
Yeah, you guys saw mine.
I'm okay, I'm not really thirsty.
But we've been dancing for 2 straight hours.
I'm okay. My body is actually very sensitive to water.
Oh, he's like really good at that.
Thanks. I've had a lot of practice.
Oh.
Not in a weird way or anything.
How have you had practice then?
Sorry, I'm not scuffing. You know, like swimming.
Swimming?
You guys don't swim like that?
Hey, I think it might be raining during practice today.
What?
What's wrong? It's just rain. Are you scared of a little rain? Californians.
I just don't like getting wet.
I get it. I hate it when my shoes and socks get wet.
Usually by the time I've noticed, I'm already flopping around on the ground.
What?
What?
Hey guys, I brought snacks again.
Seaweed!
You brought seaweed again?
Wait, yeah, Kiana, you bring that to like every practice.
Yeah, honestly, dude, it's kind of weird.
I mean, guys, I don't know. It's just what I eat back at home.
Where is home for you again?
The sea, Andal.
Oh no! I'm sorry guys!
Hey, you know what? I'm not sorry. We shouldn't have to apologize for who we are. I too am
No way! I am mermaid.
Something fishy going on here.
Wait, you guys are mermaids too?
Hey, I thought Tsunami was all about giving everyone an opportunity to dance.
I guess that is what Foundation's all about.
We are Tsunami!
Feeling so gifted, sugar, how you get so fly?
Everybody here getting out of control. Everybody make you lose control.
And just hold it. Keep my head on your chest. I'll never leave this bed. The flowers will be blooming.